How to hide your friend list on Facebook. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply hide your friend list on Facebook. So simply open up the app drawer, click on Facebook, and then after that come to your profile. Now from over here, click on the three dots that you see next to edit profile, and then from over here click on follow settings at the very top. So once you click there, so over here you guys can literally put limits on every single thing. So scroll down to the very end. Over here, you guys are going to see public profile info. So using this profile, you guys can hide your friends and everything that you follow or that you like. So from over here, underneath the who can follow me section, you guys can just simply change the option that says who can see the people, pages, and lists you follow. Click on that and simply choose friends or choose friends except. You guys can even specify the names of people that you don't want checking out your friend list, because sometimes we actually don't want specific people knowing who we're friends with on Facebook. So all in all, you guys can use this particular option to save you from those situations. So that is how easy it is for you guys to simply hide your friend list from specific people or from every single person out there. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.